Why? Why do 95% of novice investors lose their money? It's a real question. Every day, thousands of people open a stock market account, buy their first crypto assets, get involved in real estate, or try out a new project. And yet, after a few months, the majority have lost everything. But why? Is investing reserved for an elite? Do only financial genius have the right to success? The answer is no. It's not a question of intelligence, it's not a question of luck. It's a question of trade. Yes, trade 95% of people fall into, again and again. We all dream of financial freedom. We imagine that moment when our money works for us, when our investment pay our bill, our travel, our security. But the truth is, most never achieve this dream because they make fatal mistake. Simple mistake, but devastating. And here's where it's interesting, you can avoid this mistake. You don't need to repeat the failure of everyone who came before you. You don't need to burn through your money to learn the hard way. Because today, in this video, I'm going to show you exactly what these mistakes are, why they ruin novice investor, and most importantly, how you can avoid them. So listen carefully. If you ignore what I'm about to share, you risk becoming one of the 95% who lose everything. But if you understand and apply what I'm about to explain, you could join the 5% who truly build their wealth. Tableau avec tendance descendante, mistake DE1, wanting to get rich too quickly. This is surely the most widespread error, and also the most fatal, believing that one can become rich overnight thanks to a financial coup. This mentality of get rich quick destroy more fortune than it create. Many beginners start investing with this idea. If he find the right stock, the right crypto, the right business, he can double my money in a month. They are looking for the jackpot, the miracle opportunity that will turn them into millionaire. And because they believe in it, they put everything they have into a single investment. Imagine a young investor who is new to cryptocurrency. Read a few articles, sees video on YouTube where influencers say this room is going to explode. It's the opportunity of a lifetime. Without thinking, he put all his savings into it. For a few days, he watch his money grow, he feel like a genius, convinced he has found the key. But suddenly, the market collapse. In 1 week, he lose 70% of his capital. He panic, he sell, and his dream of financial freedom disappear in smoke. That is the trap of getting rich too quickly. You go from euphoria to ruin in the blink of an eye. Greed and impatience push you to take excessive risk. And believe me, the market have no mercy for the impatient. The truth is that investing isn't a race, it's a long-distance race. Real result come with time, consistency, and discipline. Look at the greatest investor in history. Warren Buffett, for example, didn't become a billionaire because he found a magic stock. He became rich because he invested patiently, year after year, letting compound interest do ETS work. Patience is your secret weapon. Instead of trying to double your money quickly, focus on the long term. Ask yourself this question: where do you want to be financially in 10 or 20 years? It's not sexy, it's not exciting, but it's effective. And there is a simple method for that, DCA, dollar cost averaging, or in French, programmed investment. Rather than investing all your money at once, you invest a fixed amount each month, regardless of whether the market goes up or down. This strategy protects you from emotion, smooth out risk, and build your wealth over time. This is the difference between the 95% who lose and the 5% who succès. The former seek immediate gratification, the latter patiently build. So remember, wanting to get rich quickly is the best way to lose quickly. Wanting to get rich slowly, with discipline and patience, is the only sure path to financial freedom. Livre mistake DS2, lack of training and following the wrong source. This is one of the most common and insidious mistakes. Jumping into investing without proper training, relying solely on rumors, 30-second TikTok video, or message shared in a WhatsApp group. Many novice investor confuse quick tips with genuine financial education. How many people have you seen invest because a friend said, "Put your money here, it'll explode," or because an influencer on Instagram promised, "He found the next gem, invest now." Result, they put their money into it without understanding anything. And when things go wrong, they panic because they don't even know why they invested in the first place. It's exactly like entering a jungle without a map, without a compass, without a guide. You can walk a few meters, feel like you're making progress, but very quickly, you get lost, you get tired, and you end up trapped. Investment is the same thing. Without knowledge, you advance blindly. The danger also lies in self-proclaimed guru. People who sometimes have no real experience, but who know how to sell dream very well. They show you luxury cars, trips, screenshots of incredible profit. You think they hold the key to success. But what you don't see is that they mainly make money by selling their advice, not by actually investing. Following these people blindly is like giving them the keys to your wallet without even knowing if they know how to drive. The truth is, investing requires a solid foundation. And that foundation is education. You don't need to become a financial expert, but you do need to understand the fundamental. What is a stock? Ah bon? En ETF? What is risk, diversification, compound interest? These simple concepts make all the difference between someone who succeeds and someone who goes bankrupt. So, what is the solution? Read quality books on investing, take serious training courses, listen to recognized experts, and above all, analyze for yourself. You must learn to verify information, to understand why your opportunity is good or bad. You should never invest your money simply because someone told you to. A good investor isn't someone who is always right. They're someone who understands what they're doing, who knows why they're investing, and who stand by their choice because they're based on solid thinking. Remember this rule. Your money is the fruit of your work. It deserves better than rumor or easy promise. If you take the time to educate yourself, you'll no longer be easy for fake expert. You'll become someone who navigates the jungle with a map, a compass, and a real plan. Sac argent mistake DS3. Investing without a plan or strategy. Many beginners approach investing like playing the lottery. Without a plan, without a vision, guided solely by their emotion. They buy when the market rises, they sell when it falls. And in the end, they almost always lose. This impulsive behavior is dangerous. Why? Because it turns investing into pure chance. You see a stock going up, you think, come on, it'll buy quickly before it goes up even more. But a few days later, the market corrects, and in a panic you sell at a loss. As a result, you haven't invested, you've just chased your emotion. A real investor doesn't behave like that. Et has a clear plan, written in black and white. HIS plan answer three essential questions. What are my goals? Do I want to prepare for my retirement, buy a house, finance my children's education? What is my investment horizon? I am investing for a year, 5 years or 20 years? What level of risk I am willing to accept? Can it tolerate a drop of 20%, 30%? Or do I prefer safety even if the return is low? Without clear answer to this question, you are like a boat without a rudder. You move with the wave, and the market decides for you. Let's take a concrete example. Imagine two people. The first, let's call him Karim, behave like a casino gambler. As soon as he hears a rumor, he buy. As soon as he sees a drop, he sell. He thinks he is being smart, but in reality he is accumulating loss. The second, Sarah, is disciplined. She has written her investment plan. She knows she's investing for 15 years for her retirement. When the market goes down, she doesn't panic. She knows these are opportunities to buy more sharply. When it goes up too quickly, she doesn't get carried away by euphoria because her horizon is long term. The result? Karim lost half of his capital after 5 years. Sarah saw her investment grow, slowly but surely. Do you see the difference? En investor without a plan behave like a casino gambler. They gamble randomly and hope to win. A disciplined investor act like a strategist. They follow their roadmap, no matter the storm. My advice is simple but powerful. Write your plan before you invest. Write down your goal, your time horizon, and your risk level. Every decision must be aligned with this plan. This way, you will no longer be a slave to your emotion. You will be guided by a strategy. Remember, in investing, it is not the one who moves the fastest who wins, but the one who knows where he is going and who moves forward steadily. Hurlant de peur, mistake, DS4, letting emotion control. Investing isn't just about number, it's also about psychology. And unfortunately, this is where many beginners fail. Fear, greed, euphoria, these emotions dictate their decision. And most of the time, they ruin everything. Let's take a concrete example. You discover a stock that is rising quickly. Everyone around you is talking about it. You feel this terrible fear of miss the opportunity. The famous FOMO, fear of missing out, so you buy, even though you haven't analyzed the market properly. A few days later, the market drops sharply. Panic set in. Oh no, I'm going to lose everything. You sell at a loss, just to calm your stress. And there you have it. Euphoria and fear have controlled your decision, and your capital is taking a hit. Most novice investors do exactly this. They board the train when it's already full, and jump off just before it reaches the next station. The result? Repeated loss, frustration, and discouragement. The truth is simple. Psychology accounts for 80% of investment success. You can know all the methods, all the strategy. If you let your emotion take control, you will fail. Markets are unpredictable, but your behavior can be predictable, and, more importantly, controllable. So, how do you stay calm? Here are some powerful techniques. Automatic B, invest a fixed amount each month, regardless of what the market does. This eliminates the stress of timing and the influence of emotion. Long-term vision, always remember why you are investing. If your goal is 10 or 20 years, daily fluctuations become almost insignificant. A return plan, as we saw previously, a clear plan serves as a compass. It reminds you when to buy, when to sell and why you make each move. Emotional disconnection, avoid checking your wallet every hour, following group chat, or alarming news. The less you check, the less you'll be influenced by panic. Now imagine this same scenario with a disciplined investor. The market falls 30%. Instead of selling, they take a breath, reread their plan, remember their long-term goal, and continue investing regularly. A few months later, the market rebounds, and their investments have grown even more than before. The only difference? They've pu their emotions acid. Remember, never let fear or euphoria decide for your success in investing. Belong to those who know how to control their emotions and act with discipline. Graphic bar mistake DS5. Not diversifying your portfolio. One of the most common mistakes beginners make is to put all their money into a single asset. A single stock, a single crypto, a single project. The idea seems simple. If this works, ILL get rich quick. But in reality, it's an ultra-risky strategy that can cause everything to collapse. Consider the example of Enron, the American energy giant. Many investors invested all their savings in this single company, convinced it was a safe investment. A few months later, the company went bankrupt, and thousands of people lost everything. The same scenario more recently occurred with Terra Luna in the crypto world. Investors believed in the project, bet everything on it, and saw their capital disappear overnight. These examples show that no investment is guaranteed, no matter how promising it seems. This is where diversification becomes crucial. Diversification simply means spreading your money across several different assets to reduce risk. Stock, bond, ETFs, real estate, cryptocurrency. The idea is to never rely on a single investment. If one fails, the other can compensate. Imagine you have 10 eggs, and you put them all in one basket. You trip, the basket falls, and you lose everything. Now imagine you divide those 10 eggs into 5 different baskets. Even if one basket falls, you still have most of your eggs intact. This is exactly the principle that applies to investing. Never put all your eggs in one basket. Diversification doesn't eliminate risk, but it manage it intelligent. It allows you to survive market storm and continue building your wealth even when certain decisions fail. Experienced investors know that a well-diversified portfolio is more stable and more resilient to shock. Bottom line, putting all your money into a single opportunity may seem tempting, but it's the surest way to lose everything. The key to success is to allocate your investment wisely, balance risk, and always keep an eye on the stability of your portfolio. Patience and strategy always trump luck. Graphic bar mistake DS5. Not diversifying your portfolio. One of the most common mistakes among novice investors is to focus all their effort on a single asset. A single stock, a single crypto, a single project. At first, this may seem logical. If this works, you'll get rich quick. But in reality, it's a trap that can cost you dearly. Consider the story of Enron, the American energy giant. Thousands of investors invested all their savings in this company, convinced that it was a safe and promising investment. A few months later, the company went bankrupt and the entire family found themselves ruined overnight. The same scenario more recently with Terra Luna in the crypto world. Many investors believed in the project, bet everything on this single cryptocurrency, and lost everything in a few hours. This example illustrates a simple rule. No investment is ever guaranteed, no matter how safe it seems. This is where diversification becomes essential. Diversification means spreading your money across different types of assets to reduce risk. Stock, bond, ETFs, real estate, cryptocurrency. The goal is simple, never rely on a single investment. If one fails, the other compensate, and your portfolio remains solid. Imagine you have 10 eggs. If you put all those eggs in one basket and that basket falls, all is lost. Now, if you divide those 10 eggs into 5 different baskets, even if one basket falls, you'll still have majority of your eggs intact. In investing, it's exactly the same principle, never put all your eggs in one basket. Diversification doesn't make your investment completely safe, but it does protect them from shock and unpleasant surprise. It's a shield against the unpredictable, a way to survive market storm while continuing to grow your capital. Bottom line, the temptation to bet everything on a single opportunity is strong, especially when you see stories of quick wins. But the key to success is prudence, patience, and strategy. A well-diversified portfolio allows you to limit loss, manage risk intelligent, and move confidently toward financial freedom. Loup pointant vers la gauche mistake DS6, ignoring risk management. One of the most fatal mistakes novice investors make is starting out by betting everything they own on a single venture. The excitement of giving it all away to win big often takes over, and the result is almost always disastrous. We think every investment is a miraculous opportunity, but the reality is much crueler. The market does not forgive recklessness. Many ignore a simple but crucial rule. Never invest more than you can afford to lose. If your investment plumet and you've invested all your savings into it, panic set in. You are forced to sell at a loss, sometimes even going into debt. The key to long-term survival is to protect your capital before seeking quick profit. So how do you manage this risk? There are several simple but powerful tools. Stop loss, it's a limit you set to automatically sell an asset if its value drop too much. This prevents catastrophic loss and keeps you from reacting in panic. Maximum allocation per asset, never invest more than a certain percentage of your portfolio in a single investment. For example, don't exceed 10 to 20% in a stock or crypto. This helps limit the impact of a failure on your overall capital. Diversification, as we have seen previously, spreading your investment across several asset classes reduces overall risk. Understanding these principles completely change the way you invest. The goal isn't to make a quick profit, but to survive and progress. Experienced investor know that survival is more important than immediate gain. An intact portfolio today allow you to continue investing tomorrow, while a total loss can pull you out of the race for years. Imagine a beginner who invests 100% of their savings in a highly volatile crypto. A few days later, the market plunges 50%. Without a stop loss and without a strategy, they panic sell, losing half their capital. Now, imagine another investor who applies the rule of risk management. They have invested only 10% of their portfolio, set a stop loss, and keep the rest intact. Even if the crypto falls, their main capital is protected, and they can continue investing and take advantage of future opportunities. The moral is simple. True investment success begins with protecting your capital. Profit will follow naturally if you remain disciplined, patient, and strategic. Ignoring risk management is like gambling with your financial future. And roulette almost always lose for those who bet everything. Sablier avec sable qui s'écoule. Mistake 17. Not understanding the power of time and consistency. One of the most dangerous illusions for novice investors is believing they can get rich in a few weeks. They want quick results, spectacular gains, and they're impatient. Every market decline scares them. Every rise gives them illusion of euphoria. But this haste is exactly what destroys the majority of beginner investment. The key to building real wealth is understanding the magic of time, and compound interest investing isn't a sprint. It's a marathon. The earlier and more consistently you invest, the more time your capital has to grow, and the more compound interest works for you. This is the principle that has made many patient investors rich. Letting your money generate gains, then reinvesting those gains to create a snowball effect. Let's take a concrete example to illustrate the difference. Imagine you invest 100 euros per month for 20 years, with an average annual return of 7%. At the end of 20 years, you will have accumulated more than 50,000 euros simply through regularity and time, without ever trying to make a quick hit. Now, imagine someone trying to double their capital in 3 months by betting on a volatile stock or a risky crypto. They could win a little, or lose everything. Their success is decided by chance, and most of the time, they lose their capital. This comparison clearly shows that regularity and time always beat chance, and as investing regularly, even with small amount, allow you to smooth out risk, take advantage of market fluctuation, and build solid capital over the long term. The takeaway: investing success isn't a matter of luck, but of discipline and consistency. Don't seek instant gratification. Set clear goal. Invest regularly, and let time work for you. The market can be unpredictable in the short term, but in the long run, patience always rewards the most disciplined. If you apply this rule, you will no longer be dependent on luck or unpredictable fluctuation. You will build real, stable, and lasting wealth, and you will be one of the few investors who understand that consistency and time are your best ally. Ampoule Électrique Solutions and best practice for successful investing. After analyzing the fatal mistake that ruins 95% of novice investors, it's time to focus on what actually works. The good news is that investing success is not reserved for genius or the lucky. It is based on simple principles that everyone can apply, provided they are disciplined and consistent. Formation continue. Investing without understanding what you're doing is like navigating without a compass. Reading books, taking training courses, analyzing the market, understanding the different types of assets, all of these give you the tools to make informed decisions. Never rely solely on rumor or the advice of guru. A well-educated investor is a self-directed investor. Patience results don't come overnight. True investing is a marathon, not a sprint. Patience allows time for compound interest to work for you and help you avoir impulsive decisions based on fear or greed. Clear strategy before investing, define your goal, your horizon, and your risk level. Write down your plan. Every purchase and sale must be aligned with this plan. This protects you from emotional decision and provide a solid framework for acting calmly and tactfully. Emotional discipline. Psychology is 80% of investment success. FOMO, panic, euphoria. These are all pitfalls that ruin beginners. Learn to control your emotions, stay focused on your long-term goal, and not react to immediate market fluctuation. Diversification. Never put all your eggs in one basket. Spread your investment across different asset classes, stock, bonds, ETFs, real estate, cryptocurrency, etc. If one fails, the other can compensate. Diversification reduces risk and stabilizes your portfolio over the long term. Risk management. Never invest more than you can afford to lose. Use tools like stop loss and maximum asset allocation. Investment survival is more important than quick profit. Preserving capital allows you to continue investing and take advantage of future opportunities. The key point to remember: success in investing comes from repeating good decisions, not from luck. Every thoughtful investment, every prudent allocation, every disciplined decision counts. It is consistency in good practice that transforms small investment into lasting wealth. By applying these principles, you'll be among the 5% of truly successful investors. You'll no longer depend on chance or pure luck. You'll build a solid, reliable, and effective system to grow your wealth, protect your capital, and achieve your financial goal. Remember, wealth is not a miracle. It is the result of intelligent, repeated, and disciplined decisions, day after day, month after month, year after year. Let's face it, the majority of novice investors fail not because they lack intelligence or resources, but because they lack of discipline, preparation, and patience. They get carried away by fear, greed, the excitement of quick profit, or advice they don't even understand. And that is exactly why 95% of people lose their money. But you, today, have just taken a huge step. By watching this video and understanding this fatal error, you are no longer part of the crowd. You are already on the path to 5% who will truly succeed. Realized that investing isn't a game of chance, but a methodical process based on discipline, consistency, and strategy. And believe me, it's this realization that makes all the difference between failure and building true financial freedom. Remember this: financial freedom is not an unattainable dream. It is not a miraculous stroke of luck. It is the result of a solid method, repeated with discipline over the long term. Every thoughtful decision, every plan well followed, every dollar wisely invested, bring you closer to that goal. What you build today, even in small way, has the potential to change your financial future forever. So, what should you do now? Start by applying what you've just learned. Educate yourself, create a plan, diversify your portfolio, manage your emotions, and invest regularly. Even the smallest step repeated monthly can have an incredible snowball effect over the long term. And to continue to progress and never fall into the beginner's trap, I invite you to subscribe to the channel to receive even more practical advice and tips for smart investing. Share this video with a friend who is just starting out and could help avoid losing money unnecessarily. Finally, leave a comment below to tell me what mistake you have already made or the one you most want to avoid in the future. Remember, it's not luck that makes successful investor, it's discipline, patience, and repeating good decisions. If you apply these principles, you can join the circle of truly successful investors and turn your dream of financial freedom into a tangible reality.